Assuming that you've already installed the program, if not, I have a link in the description for you guys to install the ICUE software program made by Corsair. But if you installed it, pause the video, or if you haven't installed it, pause the video, install it, and then continue playing the video. So once you've installed it, obviously, we want to click the icon to launch it. Once it's been launched, you see your tabs up here on the top. This is your home. This is where you can see all your devices that are connected, and this is your profiles. You want to go to dashboard. As you can see, it's just blank. Reason being is because this is an information tab. I'm going to show you how to add different stuff to it, such as mouse information, sound settings, and PC settings and info. So to start, you want to click on the plus sign right next to the dashboard tab. And for this case, we're going to add the Scimitar Pro gaming mouse to DPI and actions. We can add the Void wireless for battery and for the sound settings. And we can go down under system info and figure out what our core temperature is, our Ripjaw RAM sticks, and GeForce. Also, we can figure out what the BIOS is running at. So as you can see, this tells you what DPI setting you're on for the mouse, and over here it tells you the actions that you have set for the programmable keys on the mouse, depending on what mouse you have. This tells you your Void battery power if you have a wireless headset. This tells you what sound setting you're set to for the Voids, and this is all your PC info. And down here on the left, you can see that it shows all your PC information, such as graphics card, processor, motherboard, and RAM stick. But basically, these just monitor the temperature that you're running at for your core key products. To remove these, all you gotta do is right click on these lines on the corner of the window and click remove. And that is basically it for this tutorial. The dashboard doesn't really have much. It's just basically an informations tab that just tell you all your devices information, what settings they're set to, depending if you have different profiles, or sound settings, depending on how many sound settings you have. What's I think's neat about this is that it tells you your PC information. I've never seen a software do that before, so it's definitely unique. But if this video helped, let me know by leaving a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get the next notification whenever I post the next video. With that said, guys, I hope this video helped, and I will see you guys next week.